Hello and good morning to all my dear students. Once again, I welcome you all in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 1, Writing about Writing. So, my dear students, in previous session we discussed that Tom was showing that he is more interested in painting the wall when Ben came to him. But actually, he did not like. So, Ben was telling that if you give me this painting work, then I will give an apple to you. Then, after, we will see what happens. And he had not worked, and the whole fence had been painted 3 times. Then slowly, what happened? Tom did not work now, but he gave this painting work to Ben, and he was sitting under the tree and eating an apple. Like that, other student also saw it, and they also got interest in this painting. Likewise, they were giving different playful thing to each other and getting this painting work. And this painting work was done 3 times. There was no more paint. Now paint was also not remaining. With more paint, Tom would soon have owned everything belonging to other boys. Now paint was also not there. Paint was that not there means paint we are using for painting the wall. That color was not there. But most of the thing from other children, Tom had already got from other boys. And the other boys in the village would have owned nothing, and these children gave everything to Tom for painting. Tom had discovered a great law of human action. Tom implemented that if we show some interest in something, then people will be attracted towards and try to get that work from us. So he discovered a great idea, a great law of human action, how to do with other people, how to work, make work other people. A man or a boy will desire something if it is not easy to get. If any person who will determine and who will demand, who will desire, who will decide something that I want to get, I want to do this, it is not difficult. Definitely he or she will get. Okay, now activity 3, we will see. Read the sentences. There are sentences in the story that have the same idea. Work with a partner to find and underline them. So, dear student, you have to work with a partner. Now, it is not possible, but individually you can work. You can read these sentences, and some of the sentences are found out in a textbook in our story that you can underline and you can write in your fair notebook. First sentence: Tom showed up on the sidewalk with a bucket of whitewash and a long handled brush. In this story, we could see that Tom was shown. He was having a bucket and a long handled brush for painting the wall. Second sentence: Tom and Huck would have gone swimming if he weren't working. Here Tom and Huck, especially Tom, got punishment. So Tom was thinking that if I was not getting punishment of painting the wall, I would have gone swimming with my friend Huck. Third, when things seemed darkest, Tom thought of an idea to solve his problem. When things were going against of him, then only he got this idea to solve his problem, to give other person painting, and he got playful things. Tom resumed his whitewashing. In the beginning, when he was painting and trying to give his work to other friend, okay, but other friend, they were not taking, like one of the friend, he was telling that I will bring water, but that he was not agree. Then only he got another idea, struck another idea and gave this work to other friends. Tom seemed to give up the brush with a reluctant. In the beginning, Tom was not giving his brush to a person, a boy who was ready to exchange an apple. But he was actually quite happy. He was happy that one boy who is ready to give his apple and do his work. If he hadn't run out of whitewash, he would have bankrupt every boy in the village. If he hadn't run out of whitewash, if he did not continue this work, then whatever thing he has collected from these boys, he would have not collected. Whatever thing he had, whatever playful thing he had, that because he continued in whitewashing. Okay, so these related sentences are there in textbook. You may underline and you can write in your fair notebook. Okay, so here is the end of our today's session. So thank you very much. Goodbye.